is just mud. Well, we're in the bathroom now. So we're here at Luke's Best Lobster Roll in New York. Loaded in New York. Not Boston or New England, but I think we ordered the lobster roll. Okay. With some high quality H2O. Bathrooms are right there. Then we're gonna go this way. And the famous picture says you'll follow the tourist. And then to get up on the bridge, right on Washington Street, and then another right. There's the man, the legend. How long you been working here, bud? Nice. I do. So, Cecilia? I mean, not Cecilia, sorry. Listen, were you saying rentals? The Dumbo. Why is it called Dumbo? Perfect. So we got the lobster roll at Luke's. We're gonna see what it tastes like. I'm just gonna take a bite anyway.
Okay, here we go. First bite of the best, voted the best lobster roll in New York.
Pretty damn good.